Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you may be watching. This is Christine at Christine is Crocheting, and today is Friday. Yep, and it's about almost 2:30 in the morning, my time. And I'm going to be videoing this throughout the morning as I am getting ready to head out to the train station, and I'll take some video on the train, and then when I get down to my destination, I will go ahead and upload all of my fun stuff. Anyway, I hope everybody has a great Friday and a great weekend. And thanks for joining me on this little trip that I have, going down to visit my dad. It's going to be his 80th birthday, and we're all meeting down there to celebrate. Anyway, this is my baggage for heading out to the train. I've got a backpack. I've got a bag that's got my pillow in it, but it also has some yarn for crocheting. And then I made this a long time ago for myself. It's a scarf that I'm going to wear, and I purchased these from a local yarn shop, but not local to me. But oh gosh, darn, alpaca. Anyway, I'll link them below if I can find it. And then just a light jacket. Rusty doesn't know what to do. He's like, "Why are you up so early in the morning?" I gave him a new mouse so he has something to play with when I'm gone, for him and Dad to play with. Anyway, all right, yes, two dads. A stepdad that I live with, and then Dad that I'm going to go and celebrate his birthday. All right, everybody, I'll talk to you in a little bit. Thanks. Bye. We're heading out. It's just about 4:20. Against the hillside.